And one popular transceiver architecture is OOK, on-off keying. It is a special type of ASK. On-off means binary 1 means I'm going to send a sine wave or a carrier. Binary 0 means I'm not going to send anything. So the signal is switched between 0 and maximum. And this is a very, very fundamental receiver which is available for us. And in that, true topologies are available in OOK transceivers depending on the architecture, and they don't require I and Q. They don't require I and Q, and they require a very simple system. Take and the signal OOK signal is given to an oscillator. The final signal is transmitted, and in the receiver again you and the receiver you do the same thing. Okay. And two architecture you can see, either the signal is given to LO and the LO is modulated, and then the amplifier does only the amplification. But here you see the signal from LO is given to PA, and PA will take care of switching the signal. So LO will give a signal, LO will generate constant sine wave to your PA, and PA will take care of switching the signal based on the LO, based on the baseband signal. So two configurations are available with OOK transceivers. So it is also very less bandwidth efficient, because if you have large consecutive zeros, then the spectrum is not effectively utilized, and you will never have all consecutive ones always. So this is the architecture which is going to be less bandwidth efficient, and it may be for low power and low cost applications it might be effective. Otherwise, it is not generally used for other high performance applications. And the issue here is direct LO switching. So you have to ensure that LO and PA are always in sync. Either you have to go for switching the LO, or you have to go for switching the PA. Two possibilities are there. LO cannot be easily switched, so we generally go for switching the PA. They are simple and compact. So LNA followed by envelope detector. How will the receiver just receive the signal, and envelope detector you can go for decoding your data, and receiver does not need an LO for down conversion. So just envelope detector can detect your signal at the receiving end. So this is a very basic type of OOK transceiver what we have studied.